Hey Freedom Lovers, today I'm going to show you how we charge and prime our water system after the pipes have been drained. This time on OffGridMinute. We're looking at the outside shower. We left the valve open last time. Close it. This is the kitchen sink between this and the outside shower. These represent all the valves in the house. We left the hot and cold side open when we left last time. At this time of year, if we're gone for more than a couple of days, if we know it's going to be cold at night, we just drain the system. As you'll see, it's not that hard to charge back up. So I'm just going to close the hot side, leave this open, got a bucket under to catch the water. This is the outside tank and the main valve, which of course we left closed, and so just open it. And you probably can't hear that, but the water has started draining or running, and we'll see if it actually gravity feeds. If not, I'll show you what to do. Inside the house, the water has not started gravity feeding on its own, which is to be expected. There's air in the lines. And this is our solution to that. Even though it's a gravity-fed system, we did buy a small pump and a little expansion tank. And the water comes down, goes through this bypass, normally, when we're using it, and to the rest of the house. So we close the bypass, turn on the pump. So now the pump is pushing the water through, blowing the air out of the lines. Then I'll open this side. It's blowing the air out of the hot side. And you're done. Alright, even though the switch is still on, the pump has stopped running because the system is now primed and charged. So you can just shut the pump off. I mean, you could use it like this and get a lot of water pressure, but you saw how much water was coming out, and that bucket fills up fast. We find we don't need it. We don't need a pump. We get the dishes done. The outside shower flows great with just the gravity feed, and it reminds you to conserve water, and it uses a lot less water. And then you just switch the bypass back. So now back on the kitchen with the pump off. It's the cold side and the hot side. And if that doesn't clear itself up, then you can just run the pump again. I find that once it's flowing, all that air will come out. And look at all that water. That's a gallon of water already. And what did we run it for? Like 20 seconds with the pump? Yeah, gravity feed's the way to go. We get all the dishes done. We can wash our hands. This is crazy. That would have been a way straight down the drain. That's probably a day and a half's worth of water for us. Well, that's how we charge and prime our water system. If you have a gravity-fed system, installing a small water pump saves a lot of time in getting the air out of the water lines. Of course, there are other ways, but that's just how we do it. Affiliate links to the pump and other components used in this video are in the video description. Thanks for watching, Freedom Lovers. Until the next Off-Grid Minute, peace.